just going to do a quick video today on what the basic tools we use when we're roofing. Yeah, starting from the basic stuff, which is your string line, sliding bevel, handsaw, you want a sharp one and a bit of an older one for plastic, 2 foot level and maybe a boat level as well actually, a level, 6 foot or 2 metre if you can afford a 2 metre. They're better because they're just longer, gives you a better average, plumbing trusses and lining them through and stuff, circuit with a few batteries, and the guard as well, but that's handy for ripping down your soffit and stuff if you ever need to. Your nail gun for your nails, obviously you can knock nails in, but these are such a time saver, so nail gun and a twist nailer or a PPN. That's brilliant for all your hangers and truss clips and stuff. And then we've just got the belt then, so just obviously your tape, your pencil, knife. I've got drill bits in there for when I'm doing stairs and things, and then hammer, bar. Need that quite often with all the mistakes, and a square, and we've got a little square and a big square. To be fair, if you're doing hips and stuff, big square's more handy, and then that's it really. So yeah, you don't actually need that many tools for first fixing, for roofing, sorry. And this is basically the same as what we need for first fixing as well. I'm lucky enough to have had all my tools robbed, so this is all I've got. Nowadays I don't do second fixing, which is nice because I hate second fixing and finals and stuff. Obviously in a first fix you'll just need an SDS and multi-tool and things like that. But yeah, so for about what, and a laser, yeah, maybe for about £1.5 something like that. If you can get the nail guns a bit cheaper, you can be fully kitted out for roofing, so it's not too bad. And you can get on without nail guns, but they are handy to have. So yeah, so it might be handy for someone who's just starting out, an apprentice, what sort of stuff you need.